Alright guys, here's the front lip. So I brought it up here to the paint shop and let them sand it down and re-scuff it and spray it again, get that other matched paint, and that'll be done completely right. Should be good. Might look pretty good, but spraying base clear is a whole nother thing from what I was doing, so should be good. Alright. Here's the lip, and it's got another fresh coat of paint on it. You got another one. So, looks pretty good. Hopefully it'll match the car better now. Alright guys, lip is back on. It's definitely closer. Still not perfect though, but it's very hard to match this paint. But I think it'll be okay. I mean, I'm gonna run it for a while like this. It's closer than it was, and if somebody ever says anything about it, I'll just get really mad, freak out on them. Tell them they're mean for looking at it. But I don't know, it's not too bad. I mean, it still looks good. So anyways, that's it. Time and I have something painted, it rains the first time I drive it on the street. You're doing good.